Welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you how to watch National Geographic on Disney+. First, make sure you have an active subscription to Disney+. Open the Disney+ app or website on your device. Once you're logged in, navigate to the search bar and type in National Geographic in the search field. Several National Geographic titles should appear on the screen. Select the National Geographic channel or any specific National Geographic show you'd like to watch. Click on the title, and it will start playing automatically. If you're looking for more National Geographic content, you can also browse through the National Geographic section within the Disney+ platform. You can explore documentaries, series, and exclusive National Geographic content directly on Disney+. Enjoy watching stunning visuals and immersive storytelling from National Geographic right on your Disney+ account. Now you can dive into the world of nature, science, culture, and adventure anytime you want. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.